Hey guys, what's going on? It's Tempted CS, and here we are in the brand new update of Counter-Strike Global Offensive, the winter update, and with the new R8 Revolver that replaces the Deagle for CT and T side. Now, this gun, oh, bad aim. This gun is insanely rigged, except for when I use it, because I'm bad. But it is a one-shot kill in the body, and it's decently accurate, but you have to crank it using left click like this, and after a short period of time it shoots, but it's more accurate, or you can just like spam shoot it like this, but it's less accurate, and yeah, by right clicking. I don't know how the fuck you got me. That was ducking. That was bullshit. Alright, time to get our first kill, boys. No. Now, I don't know, this gun just seems like it would be way too easy just to buy on an eco round and just go ham. Like, I mean, for it being a one-shot kill in the chest most of the time, even from like decent far range, like that's pretty, like that was a one-shot kill. This is the inspection of the gun. The gun has 8 bullets as well, and I'm pretty sure it only comes with 8 ammo, and that's all it has. Kind of low ammo like the CZ. And it also reloads pretty quick. Like, I don't know, I feel like this gun, kind of similar to the CZ, it's gonna need a nerf like crazy when it first comes out, but they're not gonna put it out right away because Valve slowly over time decide to nerf it, I guess. I don't know, it seems like they usually take a while. Like with this C, holy fuck, that guy's aim is horrible. I didn't realize I thought he was a teammate. Holy fuck. And the reload is quick. I feel like it's gonna get its reload or something. Like, maybe that's just the CZ's thing, but like its reload is really quick. Like, look how fast it can do that, and then it can reload like right away and do it again. And to think, like, this thing is a little bit inaccurate, but man, it's a one-hit kill, like. And it's pretty accurate, especially with the crank, the left click crank shot. I mean, like, this thing is just unbelievable. I cannot wait to use this in competitive. And once you get used to it, I can imagine mastering this gun. Like, I feel like pros are gonna do some insane shit with this gun. Like, this gun holds a fuck ton of potential for sick plays. Because, I mean, like, shit like that. Like, I dodged his bullets and then cranked while I was dodging them, and just, like, obviously I'm not pro, but it was cool. Cool. I don't know, I just feel like this gun is probably gonna get nerfed, but as of right now, it holds a lot of potential to be great. I don't even see that guy. Okay. Oh, alright. Let's see. Fuck. You know, I actually do think I found out a little bit of a way to maybe take advantage of the left click accuracy when you are grinding is by just constantly shooting it while looking around, because once you see somebody, like this is what I was trying earlier, and it seemed like it could possibly help, like in a really sharp angled presence, like right there. I was constantly spamming it, so once I saw him I could already be halfway into shooting him. Don't have epilepsy out. Oh. I noticed you can kind of move around a little bit, like you can almost move around and be accurate with the gun more than the deagle, which is actually like this gun seems to be insanely OP from my point of view right now. Like this thing on eco rounds, man, I'm just gonna buy this every fucking time. This is an armor, and I swear it's gonna be fun. Fuck, shot his leg. Like, if you guys want to see me play competitive as well, I could do that. This is my main account, it's SMFC. I have a Smurf that's also SMFC. Cannot talk right now. I gotta eat my grapes. I got grapes in front of me. I'm too... Fuck. 96 and 1. The cool thing about this gun is even if you like, most of the time when I die, it's because I miss my second shot and I only do like 96 to the guy. But honestly, like, if your teammate has like a Glock on a pistol round or something, like on a save or a eco, and you buy that, and you're just killing a bunch of people with it, or like lighting them for 97, one person just on a eco round, like, this is the main reason why I think this gun is going to be so big on eco, is because it's pretty easy to get somebody to like a one-shot kill with it, because hitting that first shot is pretty easy on an entry. It's just the second one not so much. Well, alright boys, well, there is the new R8 Revolver. Tell me if you guys want to see more footage of me doing whatever on CSGO or any other games. I do play League a little bit, and StarCraft 2 as well. Alright, peace boys.